Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm going to unbox a Bondi ukulele. Came in a magnificently huge box. So I'm going to put it here on my music stand. I'm going to take some real scissors. This awesome ukulele starter kit. So first thing we got to do is open this box. Oh, look at this. This is so beautiful. The ukulele itself comes in this incredible bag. And it says Bondi. It has this really cool zipper pouch where you can store things, tuner. You might probably want to store picks, extra strings, that kind of thing. The straps, the wonderful ways you can carry it. You can put it on your back. The straps are easy to adjust. And then I can put it on my back like this. The Bondi designers went to some trouble to design this bag and many others. I actually got to choose, and I chose this one because of the rainbow colors. There's a really funny video about how they went about creating this wonderful bag for the ukulele, and there'll be a link to it in the description below. I'm sure you'll enjoy watching it. We have a couple other ukuleles here for you to look at just so we can compare the size. Now I've got the ukulele out of the case. This is the Bondi ukulele, and it's a concert. Concert is kind of a medium-sized ukulele. It's probably good for everyone. Here is a soprano ukulele next to a concert. And you can see the soprano is smaller. Might be used for like a child who's just beginning, but the cool thing about a concert, it has a slightly deeper tone. And then finally, we have a tenor ukulele, and it's again bigger than the concert. So we basically have, if you wanted to really think of it this way, we have Papa Bear, that's our tenor, Mama Bear, which is the new Bondi, which is the concert, and then finally we have the baby, which is the soprano. Inside your ukulele, you get a starter kit. So we're going to look at all the stuff that's in this wonderful starter kit. I'm going to put the bag over here. So here is Bondi ukuleles. You see they're really cute, little triangle with these kind of curvy lines. I think that's supposed to indicate the ocean and the mountains, perhaps because the ukulele originated in Hawaii. So I'm going to open the bag. I know there's all kinds of cool stuff in here. Oh, look. These are felt picks. The thing about using a felt pick is because there's no pick guard on a ukulele like there is on a guitar, a felt pick is not going to damage your instrument. And there's 6 of them in here, and you can do some really cool sounds with picks. Then the next thing you get is you get this wonderful little cloth that you can dust your ukulele off. You put this in your case, you know, in that little outside pocket. You open it up. Oh, it's really soft. And it says Bondi ukuleles on it. It's really cute. Then the next thing, oh, this is super awesome. This is a chord stand. Then, of course, we have a ukulele tuner. That's absolutely essential when you're first starting out. Then, this is super awesome. You get a really cool and beautiful strap. It's in rainbow colors, just like the bag. And I'm going to show you how this strap works. Because it's not always obvious how the straps work. You put it around your neck like this. Then you take your ukulele and you bring the strap around. You hook it on the sound hole like this. And then your ukulele is supported. So if you're going to do anything fancy with your left hand or move around, it's really a lot easier because it's supported for you. So that's the ukulele strap. And then let's see, what else is in this wonderful bag? Oh, yeah. You get this really beautiful gold-plated ukulele bookmark. So if you're going through a ukulele book and you can play like the first 5 songs and where you need to start practicing, you can put the bookmark. And then finally, and this is really essential, you get a second set of strings. Now ukulele strings, like on any string instrument, are going to break. A couple other cool things you get this package here, and what you have is a warranty from Bondi, which basically says that it has a lifetime warranty when you activate it online. Then you get these really cool little stickers, and you can put these on your ukulele to show you where the notes are or to do different chords or whatever you want to do. And you know, obviously, well, not obviously, but they don't expect you to just know that, because why would you if you've never played before? So you get this beautiful little chart that shows you where to put the stickers and how to make the chords. And if that seems overwhelming, like there's a gazillion chords, I'm going to guarantee you that you can play a song successfully with only one chord, and you can certainly do lots of 2-chord songs, and there's probably at least 3,000 songs that you can play with 3 chords. So you don't need to know all this tomorrow. And then finally, they have a wonderful little book, and it's called The Ukulele, No Strings Attached. And in this book, we get information, fun facts about the ukulele. You have a page about how to use your accessories and your extras, how to set up the strap. There's really nice pictures, just like I showed you earlier. If you want to know where all the notes are, you can put those stickers. There's a passage about the history of the ukulele. And then you get, as a person who has purchased this ukulele, you get an 11-part video series of video tutorials that teach you how to play. And those would be found online. And then there's lessons that show you how to hold and how to play the ukulele, how to strum it, how to hold a pick, how to restring, and then how to care for your ukulele, how to tune your ukulele, famous ukulele players. And some of these are my favorite ones, Jake Shimabukuro and Iz from Hawaii. And there's a whole bunch of songs. They're not written out in standard music, but they do give you the chords. So if you want to go ahead and learn a song that you already know, let's see, like I Know an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Fly is in here. Of course, because we're from Australia, we have to have Waltzing Matilda, because that's a very fun song from Australia. If I were to say something, I would highly recommend a Bondi ukulele as a wonderful starting kit. A wonderful thing that you get with your Bondi ukulele starter kit is you get a ukulele stand. Oh, you bring it down like that, and then you open it like that, and then look at this. I'm going to raise this up so you can see it better. And we can take our ukulele either in the case or out of the case. Then finally, there's one other little thing in the box that was so nice. It says, "Hi there, Marcus here, putting the last items in your bundle. I thought I'd include a new uke stand for you. That's so awesome. Hope you like it. Excuse the messy handwriting. Kind regards, Marcus." Well, I love the Bondi ukulele already. Go ahead and give this ukulele a chance to shine. Let me play a little bit for you. What's very cool about this particular ukulele called Bondi ukuleles, and a portion of the proceeds of each sale of these ukuleles goes to making sure that children in Cambodia can have music in the school. If you like this video, please press like or leave a comment below. Visit ukulele.io to get free sheet music emailed to you. You can also purchase one of our books on Amazon, where we teach you the skills you need to learn this and other songs. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button to get notifications about our weekly lesson uploads.